What is going on, guys? Back out here on the pond, on the boat. That's right, I drug it back out. Senko tied on. I got a red crank and a jig. This place is pretty nasty looking. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be pretty promising, but I'm out here. I want to at least try to catch two. Let's get it done though. Start off with a June bug Senko with a weight and a regular old bead. They shouldn't be spawning yet. Water temp is perfect. It's 60 degrees, but we haven't had it consistent enough for them to actually move all the way up on the bank and start bedding and whatnot. But I could be wrong. It's pretty muddy. I'm not seeing anything up on the bank. So, but then again, it's only like 2-inch visibility. What I'm doing, I'm working the banks pretty fast. I'm just casting out, working at about 10 feet, and then reeling it back in, making another cast, just get in and out. I don't feel like they're going to be too lethargic, so there's no point of being real slow with my presentation. So in and out quick, let's try to get some numbers and get out of here. There we go. All right. All right. Got the skunk out of the boat. Oh, I had one. You know what? This whole camera thing. I'm gonna have to get this set up. Net. All right. There we go. Oh. Here comes the freaking rain. There's a fish. He's a fighter. And we're upgrading a little bit. Good one. There's a fish right there. Thanks for playing, bud. feisty. There we go. Oh. What was that, 3 I've missed today? At least they've all been little. Okay, I need to check this hook. What's that? It's pretty sharp. God, he shat all over this one. Damn, man, he thought he was a 3-pounder. My goodness, that little. This little guy, I'm talking, he just shat all over it. He thought he was 3 pounds. Man. Man, God, he just crushed that thing. God, what are you doing, Bo? Come here. My goodness. Dude, you're only 1 pound. You're not 5. Thanks for the fight, bub. Whew, that was fun. I really didn't expect to catch anything, but hey, I'm glad I came out here. I did plan on throwing other things besides a Senko, but you know, when you have confidence in something, you just can't put it down. I mean, why? So, you know, why? I'm catching fish on it. Why throw something else? So it is what it is. Everybody's got their confidence lure. But speaking of that, there is one thing before I wrap this video up. Speaking of confidence, I need to start throwing different styles and types of lures. I've thrown a bunch. I've caught fish on bunches of lures in my lifetime, but there's only like a select few that I just use because I have confidence in them. But this year, I'm gonna start like a little mini series of lures that I don't have confidence in at all, and I'm gonna start throwing them and catching more fish with them to build more confidence with them, you know, such as things like buzzbait. My dad loves the buzzbait. He's caught, oh my God, I don't know how many big fish on a buzzbait. I've caught like 2. And so I just don't use it that much. Stuff like that, you know, swim baits. You know, I don't really throw them that much. I've caught like maybe 3 on a swim bait before, but I just don't have confidence in them. But that's going to be my goal for this year, is to throw lures I don't have confidence in. So look for those little mini series to be coming out. I'll probably do it after spawn, more like summertime, transition into late fall. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video today. Leave a like, drop a comment down, and of course subscribe, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Y'all have a good one.